told your subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error with your personal hotspot. So if personal hotspot not work on your iPhone, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, just go to the settings. First thing you need to check, it's to check your personal hotspot. Just turn on here. So just choose allow other to join, just turn on. So here you need to check your Wi-Fi password, and here you can see all instructions for working personal hotspot. So you just need to use Wi-Fi, so just check if you turn on Wi-Fi and turn on Bluetooth. So just check this thing, and also you need to check your mobile data, because you will use mobile data for other mobile phones that will connect it to you. So just check if you have also mobile data from your operator, and here you need to choose on to just check a personal hotspot from this option, and just try. And if you still have issues with your personal hotspot, so just try to restart your phone. So just go to the general, just find here shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try another way. So just go to the general again, just find here reset, and just try to reset network settings. So sometimes it also helps. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.